What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WideBody Nation. Autonation, one of the biggest dealership groups in the United States, has about 24 Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram locations, and you guys are going to see many of those shutting down, I bet. If you haven't seen TK's Garage, he just posted a video today, the 7th of May, 2024, where he has insider info. They're already offering job offers for their high performers at their Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram dealerships to move to BMW, to move to, and you name the brand that's not CDJR. They're trying to keep their good people before they start deep sixing these dealerships. And, you know, we'll see how quickly it happens, but I bet you that not just Autonation, which is a $6.6 billion company here in the United States, there's going to be other dealer groups too that just totally say, basically, F it. We can't make money with Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram anymore. We can't make money with Stellantis anymore. We'll just stick with Toyota, Chevy, Subaru, Mazda, you name it, right? So in this video, we're going to go over some of the details that TK's Garage uncovered. You know, TK got the inside scoop, and I'm sure Butter the Insider, OC Motivator, all those cats are going to have good videos on this very soon. We're going to go over just Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram dealerships in general are so screwed. So screwed. We'll talk about Ram specifically, especially in this video. And then just in general, where the car market's going. You already have, like right now in 2024, you already have new car and used car dealerships closing up shop. Now, they might say, hey, we're doing a restructuring, or hey, we're changing ownership. It means that someone bought them because someone wanted out, or it means that they couldn't figure it out, so then someone else bought them, or they, like, you guys know, it's all business lingo. But you're going to see a lot of selling and consolidation of these dealerships over the next, I'd say, probably 2 to 4 years, depending on how this economy goes or doesn't go, right? So make sure you guys protect your Mopar, Destroyer1320.com. Make sure you got a KillSwitch, TrackHawk and make sure you guys got your Ridge wallet, RFID blocking. I like carbon fiber personally. Ridge wallet is tagged below. It does slide me a little commission, but I like my Ridge wallet, and I like that people can't steal my credit card information just by tapping my wallet and doing like a skimming type deal. So I'll have to do a video on that though, guys, because I have a credit card reader that I use for like selling t-shirts and selling stuff. And you can actually just steal someone's credit card info by just bumping into their regular wallet if they just have like a regular wallet. But appreciate you guys for the support. So TK's Garage, he came out, he's got some insider info, some emails, some memos from Autonation internal, where they are recruiting their best salespeople, their best managers, and probably their best service writers, all to start ideally accepting job offers at other dealerships within Autonation, because obviously Autonation wants to keep those people within their $6.6 billion umbrella, right? Autonation has over 300 dealerships nationwide. So just because 20 to 24 Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram dealerships may or may not close, I would think that at least some of them will. Just because they're going to close doesn't mean these people, the good people, you know, they have somewhere to go. And you're seeing this. I'm going to segue this right into Stellantis, right into Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram products. You guys got to understand that with economies that are in recessions like this, or recessions, if you guys don't want to call it that, companies love this time. Big companies love recessions because they have a reason to fire people. They have a reason to lay people off. They have a reason to be dicks to everybody because they just get to blame it on the economy. They get to blame it on the administration. They get to blame it on the consumer. The only people who don't take the blame are these actual companies. Yeah, I mean, their stock prices might get hit a little bit, but so many of these companies, whether they're the actual manufacturers or they're the sales and service, so much of their budget is the actual people that work for them. So they would love nothing better than to basically get a free reason to fire 10, 20, or more % of their sales force or just workforce in general. I mean, heck, Tesla's doing it, Google's doing it, YouTube's doing it, Stellantis is doing it. these strikes that are happening with auto workers, they're probably all, Stellantis is probably eating that up. They're like, perfect, go on strike, you're fucking fired. And so Stellantis is just going to keep migrating jobs out of the US, whether they migrate them to Canada or Mexico or back to Europe. It's going to keep happening. Companies love turbulent times like this because they can point the finger away from themselves. When the economy is doing great and companies have to be the bad guy, it's actually worse because everyone knows when the economy is great, there's money flowing, companies are record profits. But that's the thing. A lot of these companies are still posting record profits because they've been cutting expenses. Oop, Charger just shut its lights off. Whoop. We'll bring it into reality here for you guys. One, you're gonna see Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram dealerships shutting down. Guarantee it. Two, you're probably gonna see Autonation shutting down some Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram dealerships. Three, you're gonna see dealerships keep doing more and more shady stuff to you guys. The thing that I think they are doing the most now, because they're almost all dealerships with companies that can't sell anything to save their life right now, like Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, all of them are doing those add-on stickers. And no, a lot of them are not doing the big market adjustment anymore. They figured out that everyone gets pissed when they see the market adjustment, right? Because you see that $5,000 extra, $20,000 extra. No, that's not right. What they're doing is they're nickel and diming you guys so hard, making 500% profit off of nitrogen in your tires, wheel locks, ceramic coating, garbage. No dealer, I have never seen a dealership that actually does a good ceramic coating. I could do a better ceramic coating in myself with the rocks that are in my driveway compared to these dealerships. So screw their nitrogen, screw their wheel locks. You can buy those yourself. I'm literally selling Mopar wheel locks right now for like $50 that are OEM. Ceramic coat, they're gonna scratch your paint when they ceramic coat your car. They're gonna scratch your paint. Don't let them tint your windows if they even do tint them. They're not gonna tint them as dark as you want. They're gonna use the crappiest tint out there. They're not gonna use XPEL or some other good thing. Don't let them do anything to your car. You're at the dealership to buy the car, right? The only thing you should be considering buying at the dealership is potentially an extended warranty. I am not a total naysayer on extended warranties because I've used my fair share of extended warranties. And oh, by the way, you can get them prorated if you sell your car before the extended warranty is up. A lot of times you can get a check back for a prorated amount of the warranty you didn't use based off of time or mileage. I'll do specific videos on warranty since I do actually kind of recommend them on a case-by-case basis. But all that stuff, no add-ons. The add-ons, you guys gotta understand. Invoice pricing. Usually there's like 5 to 12% markup between invoice and MSRP. On a car that's expensive like this car was $96,000 sticker. Invoice was probably in the high 80s somewhere. So yeah, I bought this at sticker, so the dealership probably made 5, 6, 7 grand in that delta, that invoice to MSRP split. But the only thing I bought on this extra was an extended warranty. Autonation didn't charge me for nitrogen. They didn't charge. I bought this at an Autonation dealership down in Georgia because I did videos for them and they didn't rip me off. I bought a warranty to cover the windshield, to cover key replacement. I got my Mopar keys in my pocket. Key replacement. My first brake replacement, pads, rotors, full brake service. So it can be useful. And I extended my bumper-to-bumper warranty because, as you guys know, I have direct connection on here. So I'm actually keeping the warranty on this car and driving the snot out of it. So watch out for all that extra crap, and I will do a video showing you what they put on the stickers, what to watch out for. Basically, anything that's not the window sticker, don't pay for it. That's what it comes down to, okay? So let these dealerships burn. When you guys are trying to negotiate for a car, if they're not insulted by how low your offer is, your offer is not low enough. You should go to these dealerships ready for them to cuss you out with how low your offer is. And I'm going to do a specific video on just going to war with these dealerships because they deserve it. They've made their bag the last few years. They've mismanaged their money, And now, somehow, where'd all the money go, guys? I thought you guys just made a bunch of money over the past 3-4 years when everyone had money to give you and pay over sticker. Where'd all that money go? Why can't you sell cars now? Why don't you give discounts? I don't know. Well, hate to see it, but Autonation, I think you guys are going to go out of business, at least on the Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram side of the house. I'm sure Autonation will stay in business. They're a $6.6 billion company. If anything, they're going to do better when they get rid of that Stellantis garbage company starting in 2025. So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Destroyer1320.com, TrackHawkGPS.com. Check out Ridge Wallets, link below, and some other stuff. Check us out on Instagram. We're growing really quick. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys for the next video.
If you love your car, do not buy one of these. These were great in the 90s, but it's 2024. This is what I use. It's called TrackHawk GPS, and the best part is it has a kill switch built in. To use the kill switch, simply open the TrackHawk GPS app, send the command, and now I have the key right here, foot on the brake, nothing. So even if someone had your key, they could not steal your car. But let's say it's you and you want to drive the car, simply go back into the app, disable the kill switch. It's that quick. You see green and you're good to go. Now let's say that you forget to use your kill switch and someone does steal your car. Luckily, TrackHawk provides geofencing, live tracking, and trip history so that there is virtually no way your car doesn't get recovered. The best part is that we cover all modern makes and models, and we have a certified network of installers found on our website. TrackHawk GPS. Kill it, track it, keep it.